your people. So I just want to make a quick little video on this. I read something the other day, someone talking about the reason why the Islam symbol is a star with a crescent moon is because you can see through the moon, because you can see stars through the moon. Now, first of all, I just want to make clear, I don't get involved with the is it flat, is it round theory debate, because I believe that's all done on purpose to just create divide and conquer. I've seen a lot of evidence to make me think that it is flat. It would make sense as they promote the globe, so it would make sense that they would do something that it isn't. But I don't get involved with the debate. I'm not a flat earther. I'm not a globie. Like, to me, it's pretty much irrelevant because I know that it's all illusion. So ultimately what you're doing is arguing which illusion is better than the other, or which one is more realistic. But I do believe the moon is a satellite controlling humanity. It makes sense because it controls us. I've literally had experiences where I've had fights on full moons and didn't realise till later on it was the exact same time as a full moon. I've mentioned this before in one of my other videos. I know that Sussex police, I live in Brighton, Sussex police put on, you can Google this, put on extra police on full moons because people go crazy and literally turn into lunatics. So we know the moon is controlling us. It's controlling the female menstrual cycle. So that's why women go crazy on a time of the month. So we know that the moon is controlling all of humanity, but specifically females. And this gets into the Saturn moon matrix, which I believe is a real thing. And I've been aware that the moon is hollow, or at least there's information to alert us that it's hollow. Now, the fact that they obviously don't tell us this, but in their NASA website, they've got this information proclaiming that it rang like a bell. I'm not saying this isn't a double bluff. It could well be a double bluff. A lot of people in the flat earth community believe that it's a disc. I'm not here to argue whether it's a sphere or a disc. I really don't know. What I'm here on this video is saying that whatever it is, sphere or disc, it seems to be translucent and transparent in parts. So just have a look at this little video I found that's on the internet.
On September 27th, 2015, I took pictures of the eclipse of the moon. I set up my 5-inch telescope using a 17mm eyepiece and took these snapshots. You will notice in the pictures stars show through the dark portions of the moon. And as I go through them, I'll blow them up a little larger so you can see these stars. I'll point to one. There's a blue star here, a white star. There's another star right here that shows up quite good. And that's that picture. Move on to the next one. You can actually see the stars here. Now we'll zoom in and we'll see a red star with a white star right in here. And then there's 3 stars, a white star, a blue star, and another blue star. And there's a white star pretty much over here. Okay, now this one here you can see the stars. 1, 2, that's pretty bright. Now zoom in on it. Now there's a red star, white star, showing through the moon, white star, and then blue star again, with another star over here. And as we go further down, we see another blue star, and a white star, There's more stars that I'm picking up on this film. They do have 2 stars out here and on the edge, but this is basically closer to the left side of the moon. Moving on, you can see 2 stars here. There's another star here, 2 stars down the bottom, and another star here. So we'll zoom that up for you. There's the one on the bottom. Some stars shining through. There's another 2 stars. Faint one in the background. And we have this star, this blue star, and this white star. Also, we have 1 star shining through here.
So yeah, so it seems that you can see the stars through the moon. Now, I haven't obviously checked on a telescope, and this could be a complete hoax on itself, but it makes sense. This being the Shriner symbol as well, Shriners being part of Freemasonry, based on Islam with the crescent, moon and star. So it makes sense that this is what they've been telling us, that the moon is translucent. Now, I still feel that the moon is a spherical, hollow object placed there, but it could well be flat as well. It could just be, or it could be a hologram of some sort. Either way, it is not a solid object, and it is affecting us, humanity, on this planet. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little video. Peace!